Flip over your smartphone or glance at the solar panels popping up on neighborhood roofs. Deep inside the microchips powering your daily life, a quiet corporate war is being fought over two metals you thought you understood: copper and silver. For decades, silver was the undisputed king of high-tech manufacturing. It's sitting right there in your electronics, quietly making sure current flows flawlessly. But right now, the tech giants are pulling off a massive, silent pivot. They are tearing silver out of their blueprints and replacing it with ordinary, humble copper. At first glance, it looks like a simple, cost-cutting corporate downgrade. But the real truth is far more shocking. It involves a hidden physical limitation of silver, a looming green energy crisis, and a microscopic engineering breakthrough that changes everything. What exactly is the shocking reason copper is replacing silver? To understand why this shift is happening, we have to look at the basic physics of conduction. If you open a standard textbook, it will tell you that silver is the single most electrically conductive element on the periodic table. It moves electrons with less resistance than anything else in existence. Copper is a close second, but silver has always held the crown because its atomic structure allows electrons to flow like a frictionless river. In high-stakes technology, like the photovoltaic cells inside solar panels or the ultra-dense pathways of microchips, even a fraction of a percent of lost efficiency means lost power. But silver has a fatal microscopic flaw that engineers have been wrestling with for years: electromigration. Under intense electrical stress and heat, silver atoms actually begin to physically shift and migrate. They break away and form tiny microscopic metallic whiskers. Over time, these whiskers bridge the gaps between electrical pathways, causing catastrophic short circuits. Copper, on the other hand, possesses a vastly superior atomic resilience to this structural breakdown under heat. This engineering bottleneck directly collides with a massive emotional and financial pain point for global tech companies and consumers alike: the soaring cost of scaling up the future. We are currently in the middle of a massive global transition toward green energy, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. A single electric car requires up to 4 times more silver and copper than a traditional gas vehicle. Solar panels consume a staggering percentage of the world's total silver supply every single year. If manufacturers kept relying entirely on silver, the sheer law of supply and demand would drive the price of solar panels, smartphones, and EVs completely out of reach for the average consumer. It would break the economics of the green transition before it even takes off. Copper solves this pain point beautifully. It is roughly 1% of the price of silver, and it is exponentially more abundant on Earth. But here is the insider secret that the tech industry hid inside the labs until recently. You couldn't just swap silver for copper in a blueprint. If you tried to print standard copper onto a solar cell or a microchip, it would oxidize instantly upon contact with air, creating a layer of non-conductive crust that ruined the device. The breakthrough that changed the world is a process called copper paste plating and advanced chemical shielding. Scientists figured out how to coat nanoparticles of copper in organic compounds or ultra-thin protective barriers. This completely blocks oxygen from touching the metal during production. The moment it's cured, you get a hyper-stable pathway that matches silver's performance, eliminates the short-circuiting whisker problem entirely, and slashes production costs by up to 90%. It is a brilliant trick of material science that makes high-end tech cheap enough to mass-produce globally. We are conditioned to believe that premium products must always use precious metals, gold-plated connectors, silver circuit boards. But true engineering brilliance isn't about using the rarest material, it's about making the common material do the impossible. The quiet replacement of silver with copper proves that the future isn't going to be built on scarce, expensive luxuries. It's going to be built on the back of ordinary elements, unlocked by extraordinary engineering. The next time you look at a solar array or hold your upgraded phone, remember that you aren't just looking at consumer tech. You're looking at a structural triumph of copper over silver happening right beneath the glass. Thanks for joining me on What Exactly Is. If you want to unpack more hidden battles in technology and science, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep questioning the world around you. See you next time.